Hi, I'm Jacques Pépin and I'm cooking at home. One of the most elegant first course you can do is with crab meat. And I can get those crab meat hand-picked large lump like that, absolutely beautiful. You need a peppery sauce for that, So first we do the sauce, and I'm going to put here about 3 tablespoons to 1/4 of a cup at the most of mayonnaise, like a good tablespoon of sour cream. I would say 1 or 2 teaspoons of horseradish, some very fine minced onion, and I would say 1/4 to 1/4 of a cup here. Again, this is mild onion, remember. And a good tablespoon of chopped chives. And let's say a little bit of that hot sauce here, hot Chinese sauce, or you can put Tabasco in it, or... Okay, let's start with this. You want to test it. Salt, more in there. And finally, my crab meat here. I have 8 ounces of crab meat here. And as you can see, those are beautiful lump of crab meat. That should be served cold. Doesn't have to be ice cold, but it should be cold. Okay. Here it is here. Let me test one. Just about right. There is enough acidity there and so forth. I like to serve that on a salad. Here I have a beautiful bowl. So I have some here, and of course the lettuce will be a perfect accompaniment for that. And I would say that with this, you will serve probably 4 elegant, easy, dash of chive on top, and there is a great first course. Happy cooking.